Hello friends, welcome to your channel and another brand new video. In this video, we are going to talk about the new rule from RBI on the Forex derivative tradings in India. So until now, the big companies and investors and the retail traders were engaged in Forex derivative tradings in India through the Indian regulated brokers like HDFC Securities, Zerodha, and Kotex, which are regulated through the SEBI. But from now on, the retail traders will not be allowed to do the Forex derivative trading through these regulated brokers because RBI is implementing a new rule where they need a proof of document, or basically you must be having a genuine exposure to currency derivatives if you want to trade the Forex derivative markets in India. For example, there is a company and they are exporting some material out of India. So they are expecting some payments in USD in 3 months. So once they receive the payments in 3 months, the USD INR rate might change in these 3 months. So now to safeguard themselves, they will buy sell USD INR contract. So basically they have the genuine exposure of currency fluctuations. So they are allowed to do these kind of trading through the regulated brokers under the SEBI. But a retail traders does not have any such exposure, and he just do the Forex derivative tradings just only as a speculators, which will not be allowed from now on. So the RBI has given the 5th of April as the deadline, but now this deadline has been extended to 3rd of May. So basically all the retail traders has time till 3rd of May to close all their positions. And after that, only the genuine exposure people will be allowed to do the Forex derivative trading. So if you are doing such derivative trading through the Indian regulated brokers, then you are definitely affected. But if you are a Forex trader who are doing trading through the international brokers like Exness, XML, Tickmill, and OctaFx, then you will not be affected because all these brokers are not coming under the jurisdiction of SEBI and RBI. So that's it, guys. This was a small video and a clarification on the RBI new rule. I hope you found some value from this video. And thank you for watching the video, and see you in another video.